Hello everyone. Welcome to Learning Speaking English channel. Today I will share a calm and practical guide on how prayer, combined with simple daily steps, can help you to finally quit bad habits. First, understand that breaking a habit is not instant magic. It is a process. Prayer gives you focus and connects you with your deeper motivation. Prayer does not replace action. It strengthens your will and helps you act with calm and clarity. Begin by naming the habit. Be honest with yourself. Say it aloud or write it down. When you give the habit a name, it becomes a concrete thing you can work on. After you name it, say a short, sincere prayer asking for clarity and strength. This simple act can calm your mind and prepare you for practical steps. Next, identify the triggers. Notice the time, place, feelings, or people that lead to the habit. Keep a short log for a few days. With prayer you can ask for greater awareness, and your mind will begin to notice triggers more easily. Then choose small, practical replacements. Replace the bad habit with a healthier behavior. For example, if you bite your nails, hold a stress ball. If you check social media too much, set 10-minute limits and change your phone to grayscale. Before moments of temptation, pause and pray briefly. Even a 2-line prayer or one deep breath can create a useful pause. Often that pause is enough to stop an automatic reaction. Create an accountability plan. Tell a trusted friend or family member that you are trying to change. Ask them for gentle reminders, not criticism. Prayer can support this step too. Pray for supportive people, or pray together with your accountability partner if they agree. Design your environment to make the habit harder and the good habit easier. Remove easy access to temptations. If sweets are the problem, do not keep them at home. If late-night scrolling is the issue, charge your phone in another room. Prayer helps maintain discipline when your heart is calm and committed. It is easier to follow environmental changes. Reward your progress. Celebrate small wins. Each hour, day, or week without the habit is progress. Say a short prayer of gratitude for every success. Gratitude reinforces good choices. Practice forgiveness and patience. You may slip sometimes. When that happens, do not harshly judge yourself. Pray for courage, forgive yourself, and return to the plan. Change is gradual and steady effort matters more than perfection. Finally, build a daily routine that mixes prayer and action. A morning intention-setting prayer, short prayers before difficult moments, and an evening gratitude prayer together with trigger logging, healthy replacements, environment control, and accountability create a practical system for lasting change. So remember, prayer fuels your purpose, practical steps build your path. Use both, stay patient, and trust the process. Over time, small consistent choices become new habits. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Tell us how this video helped you, what topic you want next, and what we can improve. Your feedback matters. See you in the next video.